Brazil reaches final again with 5 goals against Uruguay. Copa America news today. Brazil reaching the final of the Women's Copa America is like rice and lentils. As soon as the tournament is held, Brazil can see themselves in the final even with their eyes closed. Following the traditional practice, the Yellow Birds have reached the final of this edition of the Women's Copa America, which is being held in Ecuador, that too by beating a team like Uruguay 5-1. With this, Brazil has reached the final in all 10 editions of the tournament's history. Brazil has reached the finals of the previous 9 editions and won the title in 8 of them. And in the 2006 edition, the Brazilian women lost to Argentina in the final. Argentina became the champion only once. That means that all the titles in the history of the tournament have remained between Brazil and Argentina. Thanks for watching this news, and hopefully you will hit the like button and subscribe for next information.